Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the screen washer jet pump on this Toyota Aygo. This is 2010 model. It's the same procedure for the Peugeot 107 and the Citroen C2, so they share the same parts. So just gonna crack on with it. Right, here we go friends. I've taken the wheel off, so the location for the water bottle is under the wheel arch here. Okay, so we'll have to remove this wheel arch liner. It's already broken, as you can see in the video. There are two bolts, one here and one on this side, and then we can fold the liner, and then that's how we're gonna gain access to the washer jet bottle. So just gonna remove this bolt first. That's on the right hand side. There we go. Another bolt is just here. This one here. Again, 10mm bolt. There we go. The wheel arch liner was already broken, so this piece just fell down from here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pull the wheel arch liner towards us like this. So we'll have to remove this grommet here. There we go. So that should allow the liner to come towards me. So I'm just gonna fold it this way. So underneath here is the washer jet bottle. So you got the two pumps. One is for the front washer jet, one is for the back washer jet. So one for the front, one for the back. So to start off with, we're gonna remove the connectors. So you just pull the clip towards you and then lift it up. That's one. And again here, so with the finger or the flathead screwdriver. So just gonna disconnect the washer jet pump connectors. That's both of the pumps disconnected. Here we go. Just gonna disconnect the washer jet pump pipe. That's the front one disconnected. Now just gonna do the back one. There we go. Alright, so next we're gonna pull these pumps out of the slot. There we go. That's one. That's the rear one. So just gonna pull the front one now. There we go. Nice and easy. Right, here we go friends. I've showed you the location and the process of removing the faulty pumps. So in order to fit the new pumps, so you just do the reversal procedure as I've shown you in the video. Thank you very much for watching the video.